Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here with a simple earring design for you. These are the chrome temple earrings, and they feature a beautiful cord end by TierraCast in the temple style. I've also got some Zola Elements chain to make the tassel, and a couple of other color variations in this cord end. We've got the silver and also an antiqued brass. For other supplies, I've got an elegant earring hook. I have some 24 gauge gold colored craft wire. And for tools, I've got cutters, chain nose pliers, and round nose pliers. So to begin, you'll see here that I have a few lengths of chain pre-cut. These are each 11 beads long, which is about an inch and 3/4. I also have a length of chain here that I'm going to cut my 7th length, and I just want to demonstrate with this chain how you would do that. So I'll bring in my ruler, and I'm also going to count the beads just for accuracy. And so if I bring it up and count 11 beads, what I want to do is actually come over and cut right against the 12th bead, just to ensure that I've left all the links that I need to stop up that last bead. You may also end up with little extra bits of wire left over from the link that you cut, and you'll just use pliers to clip those off. I think I have one on this side too, so let's make sure I get all my extra chain off of there, and I'll be ready to go. So there are my 7 lengths of chain, and the way I'm going to create my chain tassel is by using a wire wrap with this 24 gauge wire, and for that I'm going to cut 3 inches of wire, leave myself plenty of room. And with my pliers, I'll take my round nose plier and grip about an inch down and create my 90-degree angle. I'm going to readjust my plier and come around the top in my loop. And from there, I'm ready to slide on the end link of each of these lengths of chain. So I'll get those on there. And you could create really nice combinations of mixed metals with these cord ends. If you wanted to do, for instance, silver chain with a gold cap, it could be really pretty, or vice versa. But I also wanted to experiment with this beaded chain and see how that would turn out. And I thought it came out really nicely. So Zola Elements also makes other colorful variations of this chain that would be nice to use. Gotta find all these tiny little links. But for as small as these links are, they're really quite sturdy. I've never had the chain break on me. These brass links, there we go. Okay. And what I'll do once I have these all on is I'm going to take my chain nose plier and just squeeze that opening up a little bit. Just cinch that end so that I know it's the right size to fit up in that cap, and hold those chain links secure. And also for security, I'm going to, rather than a simple wire loop, I'm going to create a wrapped wire loop. So I will finish my coil here, and this will fit on the underside of the cord end. Once I string the wire up through the bottom and over the top, what I'm actually going to do is bring in this extra little bead that came off when I clipped my link and reuse that for some decorative embellishment. You'll probably end up with 10 or 12 extra beads like that over the course of your clipping of the chain, and it's nice to reuse them. So again, I'm going to just grip with the tip of my tool, create my next wire wrap, and with my chain pliers, come around the base. Wrap twice and clip my flush cutters, and then I'll just tuck that tail in. So now all that's left to do is to attach my earring hook. Using my chain nose pliers, I'll angle that off to the side, slide on my top wire wrap, and close it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. All these tools and supplies are available at beadaholique.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.